Okay everybody, let's open up our Gabba Gabba Plex Play-doh egg and find out what's inside. Let's see what's in here. Peel off his eyes. And the square. And let's open up this egg. I wonder what's inside. Whoa, look at all those goodies. Wow, look at all this stuff. Pop it open. Oh ho ho. Oh, I see something yellow just like Plex right on top. Is that the Angry Birds? Yeah. Plex, he looks just like you. He's kind of like a friend. Nice. Who else we got here? Is that Peppa Pig? Say hi everybody. I'm Peppa Pig. There's Peppa. Who else is in here? Oh, which bubble guppy is this? Is that NONNY? NONNY. Oh, let's see, what else is in here? Donald Duck! That's Mickey's friend, right? Donald! Donald. And who else? Oh, here's somebody else. It's Woody from Toy Story. Hi, partner. Who else? Oh, is that Thomas the Train? Ding, ding, ding. Choo, choo, choo. What else do we have in here? Oh, it's Bert from Sesame Street. Hi, everybody. Oh, he's another yellow character, right? Plex loves the color yellow. Oh, here's a good one. It's R2-D2 from Star Wars, right? R2-D2. Oh, here's a nice shiny one. It's a Batman Hot Wheel. Right, Batman. Love Batman. Oh, there's someone to go with Batman. Squish, 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 squish. Is that a Spider-Man Mashem? Hi. Put it in the back there. Oh, who do we have here? Is that a pony? Is that a horse? Nice. It's a pony. Put him over here. Looks like we got two more things. It's a Care Bear. It's Bedtime Bear from the Care Bears. Hi. We got one more little bitty thing. It's Nemo. Where's Dory? Where's Marlin? Where is everybody? Wow, look at all these guys we got.